'cause I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I don't wanna go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I'd rather chill for real. I don't know how you feel, but sometimes I feel like I'm working for nothing, trying to get something. Everywhere I turn is a bill. Steady now, swim the river, climb the hill. Complacency, you ain't gonna get me, no, 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 no. 'Cause I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Get up. I'd rather be in my space. I'd rather chill in my place. Imagine go out and play all day. I'd rather chill at home. I'd rather lay alone with you, but I got to work. I don't wanna go and play today, but what can I say? Bills to pay. I just can't get comfortable doing nothing. Got to get up. Got to get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Hey, gotta get up. Get up. Gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Get up. Gotta get up. Gotta get up. I don't wanna go big, but I gotta go out today. Rather stay home, I'd rather chill, I'd rather stay and play. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Just can't get comfortable doing nothing. No, 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 no. I gotta get up.
Romania.
So what do you think about this race?
Well, this race is the best race I ever had, on the best track I ever ridden. It's great. It's just the people, the track. Unfortunately, it rained a bit today, but it's all good.
What
It's
is
great.
with your hand?
I broke my elbow like 2 turns before the finish or something like that. Just missed something and I broke it.
But you're also happy with
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. It's not my feet. I'm happy. It's just that, and that's all. I had a great day. That's all that matters.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.